Welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending gossip. Guys, I just wanted to start by saying sorry for not taking this channel serious. I'm busy writing my exams and I have because I flu, I have bronchitis and asthma. So when it's winter, I normally get flu. So I won't do ama-videos ngingakwazi ukukhuluma nami and struggling ukuphefumula, understand. So ngicela ukuxolisa kakhulu, but-ke there's this because I wanted us to talk about of 49 Afrikaners who are off to America on the program that Donald Trump has started. And guys, this story I took it from Amaphephandaba, and we all know that these whites, they are lying, guys. All the whites that they are saying South Africa, they are treated unfairly, and all the whites that they are saying South Africa, I treat some whites, they are lying. The most fortunate and people who are living in South Africa whites, while the Africans or the blacks, they are living in poverty, they don't have jobs. We all know that system of South Africa favors for the whites. Even the schools, because if you go to a public school in Elokshini, you will see that even the education system, we may say good, let's just be honest. We can even start talk about sports. Elokshini, we only have athletes, and it's a period of 3 months. We don't have amayama sports, so that means abantwana abafunda elokishini, abantwana bethu they don't get the opportunity maybe to do swimming or hockey or whatever the sports because we all know not all students excel in school, but they are gifted in sports. So how will you know that you are gifted in sports while we don't have sports in Lokshin? But guys, let me just read what Maphephandaba has written on their page. They write the privilege for the 9 Africans off to America for good. So they are going for good, and they will be welcomed by the authorities. So that means, guys, these people, they are off to America for good. They won't come to South Africa, but believe me, they'll come to visit. They'll come, and I mean, in my heart, I think they just went safe, maybe for greener pastures or for other opportunities, But sometimes that's feasible. As I just wish I could go to another country for opportunities, guys. Or from something, since we know that the economy of South Africa is not doing well, and it affects everyone, and the people who are mostly affected, or the population who are affected are blacks. So when they are used to feel like I'm. We know that they own land, these people, they own everything, they have companies, and now abantu grade. Check those graduation ceremonies. You'll only see 3 whites, 4 whites then. But you ask yourself, these people, they have a position high in the companies. By which universities? And this is something other parties that I won't mention, they've been fighting for. But it seems like South Africa's better, or we are not ready just to face the reality of life, guys. So guys, if you some sad, I know it's awkward, but sign more awkward just because if we am I got paid. So Maphephandaba headline 49 Afrikaners left South Africa as refugees for the United States. Okay. A total of 49 Afrikaners departed South Africa for US under Donald Trump program. Donald Trump, guys, who's pumping on my machine. So, a chartered aircraft carrying 49 self-identified Afrikaners refugees departed OR Tambo International Airport on Sunday night, May 11, 2025. That means these whites Bahambizolo, and they are saying they won't come back. So I don't know why Maphephandaba has wrote self-identified Afrikaners. And maybe very guys, umuntu angavele athi ame Afrikaners kanti ame white or ame Jewish. Bayabona ngani, guys? Because not everyone who has a white skin in South Africa is Afrikaner. I mean, I strongly believe good they just want opportunities. But now, opportunities so Swaziland, they are doing good, and maybe let's say Swaziland is a rich country. And I'm have one so you know what? I'm a Swat and I wanna go there. Trump has started the whites, but Trump has stated that white South Africans are unfairly treated. Hi, guys, we all know that is a lie. And that they are welcome to move back to America. So that means they belong to America, according to Trump. After many in South Africa said this is not true, now I'm saying it's not true. It is estimated that 79% of black South Africans are living in poverty in their own country, which is true. And when we are saying poverty, we are not saying poverty. So we see like a serious poverty whereby abantu they can't even afford to buy food. Unemployment rate in South Africa iyamangaza, and the people who are mostly affected by that unemployment rate are blacks. We all know, guys. If you have been in South Africa, live in South Africa, you know ukuthi this is true. So bapane ukuthi unf- unfairly treated while whites, oh, while the white minority occupy the land. Yes, which is true. We know that most of the land in South Africa is occupied by land is occupied by the whites, which they don't want to bring it back. And the young electoral Trump is started when the government is saying they must bring the land, and the land that the government is wanting is not the land that bafama uyile land ehlele sindlula la ungayazi ukuthi lesasiganga sihleli senze njani, umuntu nje uthi siparile, but ufeel as if usasibengela isizukulwana sakhe. And we all know that this land they didn't buy it musnabo bayithatha mahala free. The ongoing debate has seen, so the ongoing debate has seen Trump giving Afrikaners people citizenship. Okay, so that means Afrikaners people they are allowed America, and if you are African, even if you are not racist and you feel as if there are not much opportunities in our country, and you wanna go there, if I were you, I'll use this opportunity, guys, and go there, find something and find job and find something, because this unemployment rate as South Africa is affecting a lot of people. And then if you are a white and you are not racist, maybe you went to school. And we know that Musbuti, if you are working in America, you get more money. Even though a lot of people on to talk. I saw those people who are living in America, Americans, they are they're saying you won't afford to live in America. Left as America is very expensive. America, first of all, they don't have taxes. You need to have a car. It's a must that you have a car so that you will go from point one to point two. Can't lie, South Africa vele uthi takes ukibele. There are a lot of things that they never notice. They never ngathini. They never advise ngazo. No, guys, don't take this thing. But again, maybe they wanna go to the motherland, go back to the